Tomato plants, lush green garden with fruit trees and variety of flowers. These are all from our parents' garden in India. My mother takes care of all these plants, and today's recipe is from her. And I thought it was a perfect time to show this garden too. She usually makes this in big batches of 10 or 15 kgs of tomatoes at a time for everyone, and it's absolutely delicious. You could eat this with rice, roti, dosa, idiyappam, and whatnot. It goes with almost everything, I would say, and it stays good for about 6 months if you keep it in the refrigerator. Come, let's get into the video and see how to make this yummy tomato pickle from our kitchen. We are going to need tomatoes, tamarind, garlic, chili powder, mustard, and fenugreek seeds for this. With 1 kg of tomato, this is the quantity of pickle that I have got. We are going to slice the garlic finely and keep them aside, and we are going to start chopping the tomatoes into small pieces. If you're doing this in a big batch, if you can use the blender to blend it as well and make it into a puree, a rough puree, and then add it as well. But I'm just making it for 1 kg, so I have chopped it by hand itself. And we use the hybrid variety of tomatoes and not the native variety of tomatoes. That would be too sour to eat. So I've taken about 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and I'm going to add the chopped garlic with it and fry it for a minute till the garlic becomes brown. So once the garlic turns brown, we are going to add the tomato and start frying it. So overall this would take around 45 minutes to 1 hour for 1 kg of tomato to be cooked. But if you're making it in a big batch, it is definitely going to take time. So you could do it for like 2 hours and switch off the stove and then put it again on the stove and make it for another fry it for another 1 or 2 hours. So that will really help you in not staying in front of the stove for a very long time. So now I have added garlic and tomatoes and it is frying. So if you're doing in big batch, it is better to cover the lid and cook it. If not, with a lot of water content in the tomato, it will start popping up and it would come and hit your face or your hand. So it's always better to close the lid and fry it, and always take a big vessel for this. Now we are going to make a powder for this pickle. So we are taking fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds for 1 kg of tomatoes, and 4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Fry this fenugreek seeds till it gives out a good aroma, and mustard seeds till it starts popping up. Once you fry them, get it to a room temperature and make it into a fine paste. It's about 20 minutes that the tomato has been frying. I have made thick extract of tamarind and I'm going to add along with this and give it a stir, and also add salt. So for this quantity of tomatoes, it took around 4 teaspoons of salt. When the tomato is watery, you don't have to worry about stirring it often, but then once the water reduces, that's when you have to keep stirring it so that it doesn't get stuck to the pot. It's about 30 minutes now, and I'm going to start adding the ground powder. Along with it, I'm going to add the chili powder as well. This chili powder is plain chili powder. It doesn't have any coriander powder or garam masala in it. Around 40 minutes passed, the oil is oozing out from the pickle. So that's when you know that the pickle is ready. All the moisture is evaporated and the oil comes out. So this is the right time to switch off the flame and get it down to room temperature and then store it in an airtight jar. It'll stay good for about 4 to 6 months time in the refrigerator. Our royal tomato pickle is ready. Do try this recipe out and let me know how it comes out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Ruchi's Town.